Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video lecture, I am going to talk about various types of communication based on ages. So we are going to discuss about 6 types of communication. Number first is intrapersonal communication. Number second is interpersonal communication. Then we have transpersonal communication. Fourth is impersonal communication. Fifth is group communication. And sixth one is mass communication. Let us discuss about the first type of communication, that is interpersonal communication. Now, interpersonal communication is a communication taking place between two people. Over here, inter, okay, I-N-T-E-R means between, okay, so inter means between. So inter means between two persons or two people. Now, interpersonal communication can be formal or informal. Formal is like your interview and informal is nothing but chit-chatting with your friends. That is a interpersonal communication. One more thing you must remember about interpersonal communication is that the communication can be verbal or non-verbal. Verbal is oral or written communication, whereas non-verbal is your gestures, your posture, your hand movements, auditory signals. All are the examples of non-verbal communication. If you want to see detailed video on non-verbal communication, the link will be given in the I button above or in the description box below. So just have a look on that. Over here, let me just give you example of one Bollywood movie which is personally my favorite, that is Tare Zameen Par movie. Over here, you can see these two friends are communicating. Now, when these two friends are communicating, it is an example of interpersonal communication. The second type of communication is intrapersonal communication. Now, intra means within, okay? And the word intra, I-N-T-R-A means within. Now, over here, the communication takes place within individual. When person is talking to him or herself is intrapersonal communication. Now, intrapersonal communication is a communication you're communicating with your own self without speaking the words loudly. So, that is your intrapersonal communication. For example, like daydreaming or diary writing, general writing, rehearsing the words before saying it to someone else. This all is intrapersonal communication. It is one of the most basic level of communication. So yes, that is intrapersonal communication. If you have seen this drama, which is named as Zindagi Gulzar Hai.
Now over here we have a character named as Kashyap. She has habit of maintaining a diary where she pens down her thoughts. Now this is what we call as intrapersonal communication.
Now you might ask me why intrapersonal communication is necessary. The reason why intrapersonal communication is necessary because it helps an individual for forming a positive self-image. Let us say suppose I give negative messages to my mind every day, every minute, every time. In that case, I am likely to develop negative self-image. So yes, intrapersonal communication is necessary when it comes to the formation of individual self-image. Now let us talk about transpersonal communication. Lot of students have messaged me asking what is transpersonal communication. Transpersonal communication is a communication. Let us first understand the word trans. The word trans means going beyond an individual or person. So that is transpersonal. Now, transpersonal communication is an interaction which takes place between individual in the spiritual domain. Let me give you the examples. Praying, meditating, or reciting any religious rituals. All these are examples of transpersonal communication. One fun fact I would like to share you that even conversing with spirits or ancestors is called as transpersonal communication. Now let us talk about impersonal communication. Now impersonal communication is a term given to short-term interactions which takes place in day-to-day life. For example, interaction between a shopkeeper and customer is the impersonal communication. Lot of students get confused between group communication and mass communication. In this video lecture, I am going to simplify this for you in such a simple way that it is very easy for you to digest. A group communication is a communication which takes place among the people who are working together with a common set of goals. Now, group communication can be formal or informal. Now, formal is your meeting. The informal is your tutorial group. So, that is your group communication example. One more example which I can give you is there are a lot of departments in the organization like sales department, finance department, production department, marketing department. Let us say in the sales department, they are working towards the common goal that they have to increase their profit in their upcoming financial year. So that is the group communication. Now just have a look at this clip. Over here you will find our Prime Minister Modi giving a speech to the Indians. Now, when he is giving this speech to the large group of people, that is your mass communication. In the mass communication, there is a single source transmitting information to lot of receivers. Mass communication is a communication. It takes place with the help of mass media like your newspapers, your television, films, magazine, etc. is your mass communication. Mass communication is persuasive in nature. Now, what is persuasive? Persuasive is nothing but influencing someone's attitudes or behaviors. So yes, that's it for today's video. In this video where we discuss about 6 types of communication based on agents, namely interpersonal communication, intrapersonal communication, impersonal communication, transpersonal communication, group communication, and lastly we discussed was mass communication. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did found the video helpful, do like my video and share it with all your friends. You can stay tuned to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on the Instagram. The link will be given in the description box below. I will be back really very soon with a brand new video. Till the time we meet next, happy learning.